back on the GTIR again. So I just got to clean all this up and make up a plate here so the intercooler piping can pass through and make it nice and tidy. Well, as tidy as my skills allow. Now to finish that play school class of craft noons. Looks like it fits pretty well. A few little bits to fit in the corners, but my CAD or cardboard aided design seems to work pretty well. So now I need to figure out how to use the new plasma cutter I bought. Well, it's a bit sad. Plug is way too big. So I think this is a 35 amp plug and I only have 20 amps here at the warehouse. Doesn't fit. All right, but I have another option. Just wait. Yep, so that plane didn't work either. The old trusty air compressor shut itself and shot this out. That was a good noise. I was gonna go to my old little Tinker Toy plasma cutter. That's not gonna happen. And probably in this time, I probably could have just used the angle grinder to cut the metal. So yeah, that's where we've ended up, back here. Came up all right, all square up. And just getting the turbo pipe back on to see the orientation where I need to get the hole saw onto. Just need to mount the intercooler and that nut, maybe a bolt actually, and that on the front. And so we can line it all up and then see what we can fail at next. After nearly snapping my wrists, got that done. Let's put it upside down. After nearly snapping my wrist, got that out, got that done. That was a bit of an achievement for today. Got a few other projects to get onto, so this is probably it for that video. Thanks for watching. See you later.